Hi there, Melody from WTI. Let me show you this gorgeous men's coat from US Shany. I'll let you know all the features that I love about it. So this men's ski jacket comes in different colors and different sizes. It's perfect for all sorts of different kinds of sports or even just walking around outside in the winter. It's a really great men's jacket. But one of the first things I'd like to talk about is all the different pockets it has. The zippers are all waterproof, including the chest pockets. So no matter what you put in those pockets, whether on the outside or the inside of your jacket, you know they're going to stay nice and dry. It's perfect for the warmth too, because it has this really nice fleece insulated liner. It goes right through to the back, and it even continues onto the hood, so it's going to keep your head nice and warm. And speaking of the hood, it's also detachable, so it just zips up or zips on, whatever you prefer, and the drawstrings on the hood also tighten it up too. It also has adjustable wrist straps, so with the Velcro you can tighten how tight you really want them around your wrist to make sure there's no snow that gets in there. The material is made out of a multi-layer structure to ensure warmth. It's windproof, waterproof, and very easy to move in. So if you're looking for a nice quality men's jacket, I suggest this one from US Shany. We're both very impressed with it, and that's my point of view.